Because remember, say, Tom drunk but Tom no fool. People round you no so up your so, but me up your so strong. That's why you not like me, because you can't manipulate me, you can't fuck me and give me $2, $3. Remember, say, at the time when Speroni call you, you know, them couldn't get your artist, you know, because your artist did already sign to one brand where is a competitor, you know. So when you come out, come talk about me, make sure you come out, come talk good, because remember say me no idiot, that's why you don't like me. Remember say because you can't use me and manipulate me, why you not really like me. And you try to fight me down and you try to stop me, and I still stand up strong as a woman against you. For so many. Romeich, you're a narcissist. You are a narcissist, and what you do to people, you have to stop it, because God has blessed you so much. So stop taking away the blessings from others. Stop it. Live in your blessings. Let your heart be free. Go to your bed knowing that you are true and genuine to the earth, because the universe have a way of coming back to you 10 times fold. I'm not telling nothing wrong. As much as you don't like me, one thing me I gonna do, I gonna tell you the truth. You can't be a fairer. You cannot put on good face in front of people like what you used to do to me. I hear the things where you chat about me. And then you vex. You cannot be a fairer and pretend so you let out, you free the Israelites. And then you send back man go kill them off. Stop the way you do to people. This is your first warning from God. You see the same way how you manipulate the TikTok of them and you use them and you give them $100 and them feel like you're them boss and you're them done, and you try to control who them support from who them not support, and you try to build this camp like your own where you come here, come see. Stop do it. The same mouth will say yes and the same mouth say no. See there, it's a song that, you know, me sing it in a song, but sometimes I want to create this narrative like, oh, be a slackness spicing. But when we sing the song them, the reality them, we don't listen. You saw me speak that, me sing a song about it. The same out, we say them love you now. We turn around and hate you somehow. The same out, where did I cheer for you? We turn and be a racketeer for you. The same out, you feed at your table. We do to you, we can't do to Abel. Remember, TJ pay must 300,000 for the cabana for come at the party. Remember, I never free. Remember, say TJ take up his money. And another thing too, cause sometimes when me attack, you know, my brain full of things I forget. Me want TJ to understand this. A lot of people want to see you good, do good, but never better than them. So TJ, what you have to understand, say, because you're probably now take a look at 100 US from Romeich. The only way him see fit when could have control you, like how him control some of the rest of TikTok of them, was to do what him do. So you could have plant fear in your head. For you know say him are the man and him are the dad. Because remember, you look up to him as one mentor. But to him now, you want to do too much. You want to be like, because remember, you know, you probably do bookings for Jaden and him not like it, but you don't know. Because I don't like when him did that bust it up on me around the office, the same people them come back, come tell me and put me on my guard. Nobody never put you on the guard. So you go to that event with people already know how him feel about you. But you never know. That's why when them beat you and a gang you run to him. But everybody else know that's why it was being recorded, because it was being recorded to insult you. To make you feel small. Because you make you look at money and you feel yourself. So him know say you don't really have him as not done like how some of them would have looked to him. For him feed them. You have your own money. So him have to make your thing little down. For sure say him are the man. So it was made to embarrass you. So you would keep on the hush and you're afraid of Romeich, because you don't know say yeah them said man come beat you, and the rest of TikTok of them know that get afraid. But you go at the event there and everything was already orchestrated, but you just never know. You alone never know. But everybody else around him know how him feel about you. Because remember, Romeich come like girl, you know. Remember him not keep him out, you know. Remember everything him talk. So them already know how him feel about you. So when you reach and the people people that will run him and take you off of the stage. They know why they might take you off of the stage because they know that them boss not really like you. But you and you no know. So you have to travel with the spirit of discernment.